fundamental discovery about somatosensory mechanoreceptors was that some of them adapt really rapidly to the presence of a steady indentation of the skin, or in this case, for a muscle receptor to stretch of the muscle. So here we have a guy, here we have a stimulus. You'll notice that within a couple of seconds of adding the stimulus, which is here, the axon has stopped firing. So it adapts rapidly to the presence of the stimulus. Here we have a different guy. Here's the stimulus again. You'll notice 3 seconds later it's still firing. So we have rapidly adapting receptors and we have slowly adapting receptors. In the skin surface, the mechanoreceptors that are rapidly adapting end in Meissner's corpuscles and in Pacinian corpuscles. In other words, if you have a wrapping of non-neural cells around an axon, it helps the axon adapt rapidly to the presence of the stimulus. As the stimulus continues, the wrapping removes the energy of that steady indentation. That's what we say, is it takes the energy and moves it away from the axon. So, okay, rapid adaptation requires a corpuscle. And the flip side, if something has a corpuscle, it rapidly adapts, seems pretty clear, which is one of the reasons we have problems with Raffinis, is because they're a corpuscle, but it was thought long ago, well, even not so long ago, it's thought still by some folk that these are a type of slowly adapting afferent. Stewie ain't buying it. All right, slowly adapting axons, mechanoreceptors in the skin, they end in Merkel cells. In fact, the Merkel cell plays a fundamental role in making the afferent, the axon, the somatosensory receptor neuron, slowly adapting. All right, so good. We've got rapidly adapting guys, what we call RA over here, Meissner's Pacinians. We have slowly adapting guy, what we call SA. These are called SA1s, no big deal. And then Merkel cells. Okay, great. So those are the two fundamental types. And we're going to see that because these guys adapt slowly and because these guys adapt rapidly, they respond to very different types of somatosensory stimuli.